What's up everyone? It's 7th of January. It's my cousin's birthday. Yeah, she lives in States, so I'll call her in the night, like uski jab subah hogi. Anyways, so abhi baj rahe hain 1. I didn't vlog in the morning, and even yesterday evening I stopped vlogging. I don't know because Kabir was a little fussy baby yesterday, and yeah, he's just playing around right now, and I'm making him eat macaroni. इसने सुबह भी macaroni खाई है breakfast में. And by the way, if you're wondering कि कल रात को इसने dinner क्या खाया था, he ate dal chawal. Yeah. So I don't know it's teething or what, but he's a little fussy. Since day before yesterday, yes, he's a little fussy. He's not fussy, I would say he's clingy. ये नॉर्मली ऐसे क्लिंगी नहीं होता, बट जब से हम वहाँ से वापस आए हैं चंडीगढ़ से, ही इज़ मोर क्लिंगी बिकॉज वहाँ पे बहुत से लोग थे टू लुक आफ्टर हिम, एंड ही वॉज अराउंड पीपल मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम, बट यहाँ पे ही इज़ ऑल अलोन. मे बी दैट्स द रीज़न ही इज़ वेरी clingy to me. Yeah, I have oil in my hair. I oiled yesterday. Okay. So I'm just gonna wash my hair. बहुत दिनों बाद मैंने ऑयलिंग की है, and so yeah, I really need to shoot a Lodi look, and I really need to do a lot of stuff, but not getting time because he's very clingy, and he wants godi most of the time. Yeah, you don't want to eat more? You want to come on bed? You want to come on bed? Alright, so I'll see you around, and yeah. So guys, it's 2 o'clock. I just took shower and washed my hair as well, and actually कबीर ने अभी कुछ खाया था like around 1:30, like macaroni दी थी शायद मैंने इसको. Yeah, and now I think he will sleep, and मैं नहा चुकी हूँ, and I really want to shoot. I haven't had my lunch today yet, नहीं तो मैं इस टाइम तक कर लेती थी, but I really want him to sleep ताकि मैं अपना काम कर सकूँ. Yeah, it's really tough to shoot now because he's kind of like getting more clingy to me these days. So मैं फटाफट से कोशिश करती हूँ इसको सुलाने की, and I will try. I have 4 videos in mind. Like I want to shoot a 1 brand tutorial. I want to shoot Lodi look. I want to shoot an unboxing video for Lady Raga bag, and I want to shoot my facts wale channel ki video because uski script ready hai, like all the facts are ready. So it's obvious I can't shoot 4 videos with Kabir in one go. So I need to divide like in 2 days, like 2 videos एक दिन और 2 videos अगले दिन, इस टाइप से कुछ करना पड़ेगा. So today I'm thinking to shoot 1 brand tutorial and the unboxing of Lady Raga bag. Yeah, I hope it works out, and yeah, I'll see you around. So this little guy is not sleeping and he's not letting me go anywhere. मेरा लंच भी नहीं हुआ है और 2:30 बज गए हैं. So I think कल के थोड़े से चावल पड़े हैं, थोड़े से ही हैं. दाल है तो मैं दाल चावल ही खा लूँगी, बाद में कुछ फिलिंग और खा लूँगी बिकॉज अभी भूख लग रही है. एंड दिस गाय इज नॉट लीविंग मी. चोजो बच्चू, चोजो, मम्मा को काम करने दो. So I am not sure whether I will be able to shoot a video today. I really wanted to shoot, but yeah, not sure. So I'm just gonna have a really quick bite with some leftover dal chawal, and then I'll try again. क्या कहते हैं? Then I'll try again to make Kabir sleep. Till then I'm gonna enjoy this, and अगर कबीर साथ में खाता है तो उसको भी खिला दूँगी. Alright guys, I just sat to shoot video. तो अभी मैं कर रही हूँ मिस क्लेयर का 1 brand tutorial. I have all the products in front of me, and अभी बजे हैं 3:15. I will try to wrap up the look in 1 hour, and rest half an hour I would try to shoot the unboxing video. Yeah, so let's get started, and I hope Kabir sleeps really well all this time. Let's do it. Alright guys, done shooting the video. Also shot the thumbnail pictures. So हैप्पी कि मैंने 1 घंटे के बीच बीच में पूरा शूट कर लिया है, पूरा लुक कंप्लीट कर लिया है एंड दिस इज हाउ the look looks like. I'm super duper happy how the look came out to be, and I'm just gonna sit and do the unboxing video quickly. So आज का काम हो गया है. किसी और दिन I will be shooting Lori look and my fact wali video. Yeah, so I just need to wrap up everything and I'm just gonna sit and shoot. And then Kabir is still sleeping. It is 4:06 like 4:10 होने वाले होंगे I think अब. So we are under 1 hour. I'm super duper happy. So Kabir just got up. I was in between filming the video. So 2 products ही बचे थे जो मुझे अभी बताने थे unboxing में. And he got up and he's continuously smiling by seeing me. I think it's just because that he's seeing me in makeup after so many days and oh my god, he wants to play with my earrings. He's kind of blushing. इसको शर्म आ रही है मुझे देख के. I don't know why. चम्मा लिया आपको, चम्मा लिया बेटा. मम्मा was shooting a video. Yeah. जो इस बात से एग्री नहीं करता. So I think I'm just gonna take him along with me in the living room and I'm just gonna finish the 2 products and then I'm just gonna wrap up everything. And I'm loving this makeup. Oh my god, I'm so obsessed. इस स्वेटर के साथ भी बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है. I'm just gonna click few pictures just for Instagram. Yeah, loving it. My baby's blushing. मुझे देख के ब्लश कर रहा है कबली, मेरे कबली, मेरे कबी. So I'll see you around. No, don't pull it, don't pull it, don't pull it. It will hurt mama. So guys, I am done with both the videos. I'm super happy. Clicked some pictures for Insta as well. वो तो मैं वैसे भी खींचती हूँ thumbnails के लिए. तो yeah, anyways, so Kabir is watching his TV. उसका vlogs उसको मैं देख के आई हूँ. अभी वो कुछ नहीं खाएगा because he just got up. So थोड़ी देर उसको खेलने दूंगी, TV देखने दूंगी and then I will give him something. I don't know what will I give. Maybe an apple. Yeah. And जब तक वो TV देख रहा है, I'm just gonna wrap up everything here. Also gonna take this makeup off. I really don't feel like taking this makeup off because it's so beautiful, so pretty. Yeah, and this is the kind of look you can do it on Valentine's Day as well. Like it's so good and it's a very good wedding guest makeup as well. बहुत सी themes पे ये makeup जाएगा जो मैंने आज किया है. And I have used just Miss Claire products, each and every, like from the lashes to the lash glue to the lipstick to the foundation to the primer. Everything is Miss Claire and I'm loving it. Miss Claire is such an underrated brand, I would say. I'm so enjoying their products a lot. So I'm just gonna see you soon after wrapping up everything and see ya. So wrapped up everything, just the camera is left, that's it. बाकी सब makeup मैंने सब उठा दिया है and I really want to shoot the other 2 videos before 11th. By this weekend I really want to shoot that, like by 10th, because 11th से Harry के exams. I will be too busy because you know Harry won't be able to give time to home, so everything I have to manage myself. So that's why so I want to be like stress free because Harry already stress होगा, so you know मैं भी stress रहूँगी, so I need to balance everything. मेरे पास कुछ videos रहेंगी, जैसे 3-4 videos रहेंगी upload करने के लिए and probably after Harry's exam mummy papa will be here and they will stay for a week or 2 I guess, and then we will go back and drop them probably. Yeah, abhi kuch final nahi hai, but yeah, that's how the plan is gonna be. And then we will come back, so we'll see how it will go. And मुझे पता है कि मुझे टाइम ज़्यादा नहीं मिलेगा शूट्स वगैरह का. That's why I really want to जो सोची हुई वीडियोज़ हैं complete that in till this within this weekend. So yeah, ताकि मेरा चैनल एकदम सूखा सा ना जाए, कुछ ना कुछ कंटेंट ज़रूर हो कि मैं बीच बीच में डालती रहूँ. स्केड्यूल नहीं बन रहा अभी मेरा प्रॉपर डालने का, बट स्टिल आई एम ट्राइंग माई बेस्ट, मैनेजिंग एवरीथिंग माई बेस्ट. सो या दैट्स वाई आई रियली वांट टू शूट टुडे, एंड कल हो सका तो ज़रूर शूट करूँगी. अदरवाइज I will definitely shoot a day after tomorrow, like on Saturday. And I am just uploading one vlog जो कि मैंने सुबह edit किया था, but I will schedule it for like tomorrow. Like I don't want to publish it right now. Yeah, so थोड़ा gap इसके बाद ही करूँगी, because एकदम से vlogs आते हैं फिर एकदम से गायब हो जाते हैं. So you guys feel that something is missing, you know. It should be like on a proper time gap and time period. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि मैं एकदम से vlogs की bombardment कर दूँ और एकदम से गायब हो जाऊँ. So I need to keep balance. That's why I'm gonna schedule it for tomorrow. Yeah, so अब चलते हैं कबीर के पास and थोड़ा सा उसके साथ खेलते हैं. I am not removing my makeup अभी फटाफट से. I removed my lashes, but everything is still on because I really don't feel like removing it. It came out to be so good. Like I really don't know whether आपको कैमरे पे पता चल रहा है कि नहीं चल रहा, but in person this look is looking so pretty that I don't feel like removing it. So yeah, so I'm just gonna go and play with Kabir now, and I'll see you soon. Kabir is having apple. What are you having? Apple. So just gave Kabir an apple, like it's half an apple as a snack. और 5 बज गए हैं, so I think I'm just gonna make myself a good cup of tea as well. अभी apple खाने के बाद I'm just gonna give him a little bit of makhane. He doesn't drink milk, like outside milk. So I make sure कि उसकी डाइट में अच्छा सा calcium intake जाए. So makhane is a very 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 rich source of calcium and he loves eating it. So I'm happy that he eats makhane. And I just changed और अभी कुछ देर में मैं अपना मेकअप भी उतार दूँगी. I just want to do some Insta stories, just chatting with you guys. कुछ है नहीं Insta stories पे भी करने के लिए, but still a makeup किया, so I'm just gonna make most of it. So guys, just playing with Kabir. इसके साथ अभी मैंने डांस किया, इसके साथ खेली. और I didn't make tea because I had coconut water. So नारियल पानी पी लिया मैंने, क्योंकि वो फिर ख़राब हो जाता, वेस्ट हो जाता. So चलो नारियल पानी पी लेते हैं. चाय की क्रेविंग अभी भी हो रही है और अभी बज रहे हैं 6. I don't know whether I'll make it or not because अब I have started a routine. मैंने weight loss मेरा हो चुका है because after postpartum, though even I'm not even trying, but yeah, maybe Kabir is still on breastfeed, maybe that's why. So I am keeping a really good care of my diet now. So I take milk in the evening with पिन्नी. 1 या 2 पिन्नी खा लेती हूँ. पिन्नी मेरी मदर इन लॉ ने बनाई है, तो उन्होंने हमारे साथ भेजी है, तो मैं वो लेती हूँ. तो अब दूध पीना ही है, तो आई एम अ लिटिल डाउटफुल अबाउट टी नाउ. और अभी पेट भर चुका है बिकॉज नारियल पानी पिया है. एंड कबीर जब होने वाला था, like when I was pregnant, like after first trimester, I used to take 1.5 किलो दूध per day. अब मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है पता नहीं मैं कैसे पी लेती थी, बट या दैट टाइम आई यूज टू टेक दैट मच ऑफ मिल्क. बट नाउ द मिल्क कंजम्पशन इज वेरी लो, सो आई thought okay, I will take care of my health, though I don't feel very tired or stuff like that, but sometimes you know I do feel tired, but वो normal है, वो कोई भी feel करता है कभी कभी तो. but लोग जो मुझे देखते हैं they feel that मैं बहुत weak हो गई हूँ. डेफिनेटली हुई भी होंगी because I lost more than my pre-pregnancy weight, so maybe that's why I look weak to a lot of you, to a lot of people. And Kabir is just riding his cycle by his own. इसको बैठ के चलानी तो आती नहीं अभी, तो बस ऐसे ही चला रहा है. चला लो. Yes, so just playing with him. And now I think I'm just gonna take off this makeup because because I really feel like, you know, snuggling in Rajai now. ये थोड़ा सा खेल के जब टायर्ड हो जाएगा, इसको भी बेड पे इसको एक्टिविटीज वगैरह कराऊंगी, बुक पढ़ा दूंगी. But before that, I'm gonna take this makeup off, though I don't feel like, but I have to take off. So guys, today we are thinking to eat a little bit of different things. So I'm making bread pizza. It's healthy and it's yummy. So yeah. So बस उसकी तैयारी हो चुकी है. मैंने सुबह मैं बनाऊंगी बेसन का चीला विद लॉट्स ऑफ वेजिटेबल्स एंड कबीर को भी वही दूंगी. एंड उसकी भी मैंने तैयारी कर ली है सब, बिकॉज सुबह कबीर मुझे छोड़ता नहीं है. ही डजंट लेट मी गेट अप फ्रॉम बेड. तो मेरे पास बहुत कम टाइम होता है ब्रेकफास्ट बनाने का, तो मैं रात को ही तैयारी करके सोती हूँ. और अभी before eating bread pizza, I'm just gonna make Kabir eat a little bit of dal. बोल भर के दाल दूंगी, और बाकी जो भी उसने खाना है ब्रेड वगैरह पिज़्ज़ा ब्रेड पिज़्ज़ा वो हमारे साथ खा लेगा. और उससे पहले मैं उसका टमी फिल कर दूंगी दाल से. एंड वैसे भी उसने शाम को एप्पल खाया था एंड देन ही हैड लाइक अ गुड अमाउंट ऑफ मखाना. सो फटाफट से दाल खिलाऊंगी उसको, बिकॉज सब तैयारी हो चुकी है. हैरी की थोड़ी सी डिस्कशन चल रही है क्लास की. इट्स नॉट अ प्रॉपर क्लास टुडे, बट थोड़ी किसी चीज़ की डिस्कशन हो रही है. एनीवेज, सो जब तक वो होती है आई एम जस्ट गोना मेक कबीर ईट दाल. सो या